spiral, galaxy, machine, and world. Now, my perception of my physical experience of life is that I'm a spiral. And my physical body, my physical being, my mind, and everything is in the center of that spiral. Everything beyond me is spiraling as a result of my physical actions, my words, my thoughts. Whatever it is that I do here spirals out. And it's like I'm always moving forward. I'm a spiral that's always moving forward, up, advancing. Now, in science, in the study of space, the largest physical body in perception is a galaxy. So, and a galaxy is a spiral. So, you know, my perception of myself is like I'm a galaxy, right? Now, I want to talk about the word machine. You see, there is no way to really confirm that galaxies exist, because a galaxy is an imaginary idea. It is something that is told to me by using a machine. I have to use a machine to study or to learn about the idea of a galaxy. You know, I create the machine, so I'm telling myself that the machine is telling me what I need to know, and it's true. You know, because the machine says so. Because the machine says so. And it is true, actually. And it is true, actually. So, you know, I'm going to define now the word. I'm going to define now the word. My definition. Machine. My definition. For me, the word machine means match in energy. M-A-C-H-I-N-E for energy. Match in energy. So my physical being now is an energy signature, what some would call a vibration. And when I give attention to the machine, let's say I'm studying or I'm learning or I'm having fun, it doesn't matter what I'm doing. In the moment that I'm giving the attention to the machine, let's say I'm using a telescope. You know, I'm a scientist using a telescope. All right? And I'm giving my attention to the machine. Whatever it is, my energy signature in that moment is what the machine is going to reflect back to me. Wanting to know what's beyond the stars, or wanting to know what is that thing in the sky that's shining so bright. And I use a machine to tell me what it is. Then whatever it is that, you know, my energy signature at the time that I'm giving the machine attention, the machine's going to reflect back to me my matching energy. Right? The word world for me, I can break down into two parts. The first part, which is world, and the last part, which is D. Right? Now, first let me start with the D. Well, no, actually, let me start with world. World for me is the word that describes what it sounds like when a spiral is spinning. When a spiral is spinning, if I'm going to describe that sound, it's a whirl. You know, whirl, right? Now the D in world for me stands for darkness. Let's look at it this way. When I say I'm jumping or I'm going to jump, right? That is the future and the present. But when I say I jumped, with the D at the end, that is the past. The past is what exists in the dark. What was, what will never be again. Well, it could be again, but what was, right? So the word D, the letter D on the word world, is like a cloak. It's like to hide the perception of a spiral or the whirl from particles within it, right? So let's just say now, I'm a person in the world, and I have the perception of what the world is, you know, and I'm a part of the world. I'm in the world. The world is a planet called Earth, and there's a whole bunch of different places and lots of people, right? That is the perception of a world.